If you want to make sure your home is well protected from fires, then you can't go wrong with our list of the best smoke detectors. We spent hours performing market research and product testing to find the best options to make your home a bit safer. Number 1. Filtrete 16x25x4 AC Furnace Air Filter. First Alert hardwired smoke alarms includes a 9-volt battery backup that continues to protect you in the event of a power failure. The Detector features an ionization sensor for detection of smoke and fast flaming fires, as well as a loud, 85 decibel alarm. One button silences any nuisance alarms, and also tests detector functions, while lights indicate if the alarm detects smoke. Connect it to compatible BRK or First Alert alarms within a single-family residence. When one alarm is triggered, all connected alarms will sound. Number 2. First Alert SCO5CN Combination Smoke. The First Alert SCO5CN is a combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. It has been designed to detect smoldering fires in particular. Uniquely, the device is able to tell the difference between life-threatening and non-hazardous smoke patterns. Furthermore, it has an easy-access battery door that enables the homeowner to replace the battery without having to take the device on. It is also fitted with an end-of-life timer, warning that the device needs to be replaced with a new one. The alarm sounds at the accepted standard level of 85 decibels, which is very easy to hear. Number 3. Google Nest Protect. Smoke Alarm, Smoke Detector. The Google Nest Protect is a combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector priced at over 3 times as much as a typical combo detector. The premium price nets you a variety of features, including advanced dual sensor technology, clear voice alerts, wireless interconnection, a handy pathway light, and mobile connectivity, to name a few. Also keep in mind the value of the reliable Google brand in a smart home market flooded with low-quality knockoffs. Nest Protect is essentially 3 life safety devices in one, offering carbon monoxide detection and 2 types of smoke detection, thanks to its dual sensor technology. When installing standard smoke detectors, this is the point where you put the batteries in, snap the smoke detector to the base, and hit the test button. That's not the case with Google Nest Protect. First, you must pull a tab out of the unit to activate the built-in batteries. Then you download the Nest app and scan the QR code on the back of the Protect to link it. Number 4. Kidde Smoke Detector. The Kidde 10SCO alarm can detect smoke and carbon monoxide. It has a replaceable 9 volts battery that can be accessed conveniently through a hatch in the front of the alarm, and it comes with a 10-year warranty. It can't be linked to other alarms in the home, and that means it won't be suitable for homes in Scotland after the February 2022 law change. But what is it like at detecting smoke and sounding the alarm when there's a fire? We tested it to find out. Read on for our verdict. Fire test results and the total test score for this Kidde smoke alarm. Number 5. X-Sense 10-year battery smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. What is good in X-Sense 10-year battery smoke and carbon monoxide detector? Dentists say you should floss your teeth every day. Mechanics suggest rotating your tires every 3,000 miles. And the U.S. Fire Administration says to check your smoke detector batteries at least once a month. This is one reason it's nice to have a 10-year battery on your smoke detector. While you should still check it for overall functioning every month, it won't run out of juice on you if you don't. But not all 10-year smoke alarms are created equal. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel.